What did I buy on Amazon this time? Stick around, let's find out. Hello everybody, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Not necessarily a ham radio related video today. I don't know why my gimbal's going crazy, but it is definitely an electric video, electrical video. So you may know we purchased this new house, which is the new Ham Shack TV studio. And one problem that I've ran into is my breaker box is not labeled good. So trying to find a tool for this, and one thing popped up in my feed on my Amazon store, or on my Amazon, to try out. So I figured we'll try it, see what it's like. So this is the KAIWEETS circuit breaker finder. So you plug this in the wall, it gives you a readout on voltage and if you got any faults or anything like that. So you plug that in the wall, and then you go to your breaker panel with this thing, and it'll find the plug. It'll find the plug. So this is a really cool device. We're going to try it out right here live on Ham Shack TV. All right, so one outlet I don't know about is this one right here in our laundry room. I don't know where it goes. So I'm going to plug it in. We immediately get a reading, 16.9 volts. There is a fault indicated. I'm not sure what the flashing E stands for. 120 volts. So right about what we want it to be. We do want 120. So now we are going to go upstairs and find where that is. But first, I want to grab this. And this device came in this nifty little carrying case. But let's go out to the garage and see if we can find that particular breaker. All right, guys, out here in the garage, I've got my sniffer, so to speak. That's what I'm going to call it. It looks like a nose, right? We're going to see if we can find this. So here's my breaker box over here in the corner of the garage. I'm going to turn the power on. And it tells you on the side of it, scan once to learn, scan two, scan again to locate. So we're going to always go down your panel. All right, so down again. Big time signal right there. I believe that's probably our breaker. We'll scan over here. Okay. I'm getting a signal over here too, and both signals are full scale. So that's his bedroom, that's his living room. That can't be right. I can't tell what the kitchen, no, that's not right. But this one has no label, so I suspect that's it. There's only one way to find out, right? Kill it, see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna go back downstairs. We're gonna see if that breaker is dead, or if that particular plug is dead, and that will tell us whether or not this thing's accurate or not. Back downstairs. And no. Well, let's reset this. Plugging it in. Doesn't see anything. Nothing at all. So that means it's right. It's 100% right. So this is going to help me start labeling my breakers. If you need something like this, guys, I can't recommend this enough. Check it out on Amazon. Link's down in the description. It is the KAIWEETS KT301 right now. Thanks for watching. AA4WX WSCB 693.